What is up, guys? Rafael here one more time, and now let me take the chance to talk about this product right here from Ghirardelli, the bunnies, right? Because we just had Easter, so we still have a lot of chocolates right here, and let's have a look at them. This is the bunnies milk chocolate cookie. So delicious. Look at that. That is good. So yeah, this is the package that comes with 4.1 ounces or 116.4 grams right here. It's great for egg hunts, but you can of course have it anytime. You can see them, and Ghirardelli is just a very trustful brand, really good actually, and very known and very trustful. So of course 5 star out of 5 for this beautiful and delicious bunny's milk chocolate cookies from Ghirardelli.